gonna perform a one of the transferring techniques, like transferring the patient to from the bed to the chair. Now I'm gonna start. First is I'm gonna review the patient's chart and the doctor's order. Next is I will perform an hygiene to prevent a microorganism. Next is I will identify the patient and explain the procedure to the patient. Sir, my name is Kelsey Nicole Asaton, and I am your nursing student today. May I know your name and date of birth, sir?
Ethan Lee po.
Okay.
And I'm born April 4, 2005.
Okay. May I see your wristband, sir? Okay po. Next, sir, is I will explain the procedure to you. I will be assisting you to transfer, I will transfer you from the bed to the chair. Okay, sir, let's start.
Yes.
Next is I will provide a privacy for the patient. Next is I will position the bed. Then put the head of the bed upward. Sorry, excuse po. Next is I will lock the bed and chair brakes. Next is I will load the side rails and position myself near to the patient. Next is I will assist the patient to sit side of the bed. Sir, may I load the linens po? And put your arm po here. Then I will assist you po na mag-side. Okay po. Next is I will assist the patient to sit side of the bed. Okay, sir. Next is I will ask the patient if you feel dizziness or any discomfort. Did you feel any dizziness or discomfort?
Wala po.
Okay po. Next is I will apply the robe and the footwear of the patient. Sir, I will help you to wear your robe po. Okay po. And put and help him to put his footwear. Next is I will put the gait belt to the patient for his safetyness. Sir, I will put the gait belt to your waist po. Excuse me. Okay. Next po is I will assist the patient to move the edge of the bed until he touched the floor. Sir, can you slide forward? Okay po. Next is I will assist the patient to stand and transfer to the chair. Sir, can you put your hand po dito sa shoulder ko? On the count of 3 po, please stand with me. 1, 2, 3, up! Okay po. Put your hands. Okay. Next is I will ask the patient if he is comfortable or if feel any discomfort. Are you comfortable, sir?
Yes po.
Okay, sir. Next is I will pin the equipments that we will use. I will perform the transferring the patient from the chair to the bed. First is I will perform a hand hygiene and lock the patient's chair. And I will put the, ano tawag sa ano? Dito?
Gate belt.
Gate belt. Correct. Next is I will be performing the transferring the patient from the chair to the bed. First is I will hygiene to prevent any microorganisms. Next is I will lock the patient's chair for the patient's safety. Next is I will put the gate belt to the patient to help to make the transferring easier. So here I will put the belt. Excuse po. Next is I will ask the patient I will assist the patient to stand up and transfer to the bed. So you can put your hands to my shoulder. Then I will count of 3. Then we will sit. We will stand up together. 1, 2, 3. Up. Next is I will remove the ano yun?
Gate belt muna.
Next is I will remove the gate belt of the Next is I will remove the gate belt.
Of the patient.
Next is I will remove the gate belt of the patient. Sorry, excuse me. Next is I will remove the footwear of the patient. Next is I will help the patient to paano ba? To
Ito muna oh.
I will remove the ano. Tapos, paano ko sabihin na help kita?
I will assist the patient to lay down.
Okay. Next is I will remove the robe of the patient. Sorry, excuse me. Next is I will position the bed in the comfortable way before the patients lay on the bed. Then next I will help the patient to lay down. Sir, put your hands on your shoulders. Then I will help you to lay down. Then I will put the legs. Next is I will ask the patient if he is comfortable in our position. Are you comfortable in your position, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Then that's all. Thank you.